Dear guests and visitors of our channel, the 13th IQDEX International Defense Show, which will be held in Baghdad, the Republic of Iraq, is set to open its doors on the 19th of April. Being among the key defense shows of the region, it will attract the attention of leading players in this market. ROSOBORONEXPORT joint stock company, a subsidiary of State Corporation Rostec, will participate in the show. During the event, the company will showcase cutting-edge Russian-designed armaments. The comprise 53949 4x4 armored vehicle has proven itself to be a reliable and effective transportation system and weapon carrier. The land platform also features high effectiveness and robust protection. At the IQDEX-2025, a modification of the comprise 53949 with automated launchers of the Cornet EM anti-tank guided missile system is set to be demonstrated. The automated launcher features high accuracy of target engagement round the clock and has high combat effectiveness. During the exhibition, ROSOBORONEXPORT will also demonstrate a tripod-mounted modification of the Cornet EM anti-tank guided missile system in updated configuration. The system can be complemented with a remote control panel that dramatically improves survivability of anti-tank operators on the battlefield. The Cornet EM is renowned for its ease of operation, reliability, and effectiveness. The system is capable of firing the newest 9M134 guided missile. The latest small-size guided weapon can be fired from any Cornet EM family launcher. The 9M134 features compact dimensions, low weight, and improved effectiveness. One could hardly imagine modern battlefield without loitering munitions. At the IQDEX-2025, ROSOBORONEXPORT is set to demonstrate the latest KUP-21E loitering munition with extended range of flight. The vehicle can be operated round the clock and under harsh meteorological conditions. At the show, ROSOBORONEXPORT is set to showcase both cutting-edge and proven small arms, including the AK-200's family of assault rifles, new generation AKs, PPK-20 9mm submachine gun, and Chukagin sniper rifle. These weapons have high reliability and improved firepower. They also feature the capability of integration of any modern sighting system and firearm accessory. The newest RPL-7 7.62mm light machine gun, which will also be demonstrated at the show, allows dramatic increase of a unit's firepower without adding too much weight to its inventory. The issue of counter-unmanned aerial vehicle protection of critical facilities is now of top priority. To demonstrate the capabilities of meeting this challenge, ROSOBORONEXPORT will showcase the RB504PE modern system, one of the latest Russian-designed solutions in this field. During the show, the visitors of ROSOBORONEXPORT's booth will have a chance to get themselves acquainted with a wide range of equipment for law enforcement agencies, special forces, and security professionals, including detectors of explosive devices, hazardous objects, and metal items. Cutting-edge thermal imagers will attract attention of special force operators. These devices are fully shock-proof and waterproof. They provide high-quality thermal imaging capability to their operators. Dear guests and visitors of our channel, ROSOBORONEXPORT, a subsidiary of State Corporation Rostec, welcomes everybody at its booth at the IQDEX 2025 exhibition and wishes you a fruitful show.